Here we have some more elevators here at Terminal 3 of Chicago O'Hare Airport in Chicago, Illinois. Got some more custom KONE glass elevators to ride. Let's get out to the basement level. These ones take you down to the CTA. Ooh, a little bit of a drop there. Get a cab view. Just like the other bank of elevators, these are very, very nice. Indicator, add some of our plus buttons. 5,400 pound capacity. I think these are very big. Like, I think these are big. All right, let's listen to this motor. Door goes when you push the button. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that motor was so epic. Shoot, don't shut on me. We're gonna go get the other one now. This one doesn't leave. There it goes, and let's go call the other one. If it works. And it's here. Works. Okay, that was weird. I had to push it a little harder. Watch the indicator. I gotta say, these elevators are so awesome. Like, these are the best glass elevators I ever rode. I wish like Milwaukee Airport has some of these. There goes the other elevator. Let's be very quiet now. We'll look out this side. Yeah, I'll look at this side here. We're stopping. All right, guys. Sorry about that. We're gonna listen to the motor without stopping. So let's go up to the upper level. Listen to this motor. All right, here back at upper level. Yeah, those motors were so epic. Ah, crap! It called the other elevator. Oh well. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it. Some awesome glass elevators I ever rode.